Right, welcome to AP Workshops and welcome to another one of our little films. So what we're going to do is a sort of slow motion, or speed it up actually, I can't remember what they call it at the moment, but basically we're going to, this is John, basically, hi mate, how you doing? He's got his 2017 with us, so we're going to do the valve clearances on that, and then we're going to sort of do a time lapse on how that gets done and what goes on, and we'll kind of just do sort of like a brief explanation about what goes on as we're doing it. So sit back and enjoy. So that was it. That's it. That was a valve clearance check, sped up, probably a triple quick time on that one. So that was it, all done. We've no adjustments necessary on that one. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.